Robert 100 cars repair. Today I have the Vauxhall Insignia 2011 1.8 petrol. I'm gonna there's plenty of movies how to do it, but explain the processing. I explain you the why the engine leaking and how easy it replace gasket. So actually I'm talking not about head gasket, I'm talking about the cover. It's a plastic cover which cover that part. So what's happened is there is a gasket around, and this gasket getting old and simply just leaking over here by oil. So oil comes here. Yeah. So only what you have to do, just buy the gasket and replace. There is a few screw. You need to replace that screw, that screw, that. It's 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 11. So this is engine cover. We have a 11 screw bolts. Sorry, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and in the middle is 11. So this is how it look like. So if I do upside down, this is the gasket. So this gasket, if it's leaking, if it's a hole, and that's the reason why the engine is oily, top of the engine cover. The thing which I observing, the inside where was a spark plug, there was a lot of oil inside. That's not good. That's supposed to be dry, right? I didn't remove yet. I will, so I'm gonna clean again. I used the cotton for removing the oil, and we need to just clean around the edges. Clean from any dirt. If we see some dirt here, we can remove as well, dust or something, and put gasket, which look like, in a moment. This is gasket from BG Automotive. Brand new. Easy job. You can check in other channels, but by action, by this replacement of the gasket, you can remove top engine oil leak. It's easy. That's it. One more thing, be careful with this. In other movies it's easy to unclip and push out, but in my case I snap this one. That still have a functionality when will be the problems with the engine. So I'm gonna, in the worst scenario, replace this one, but I think I'm gonna hold anyway. So be careful with this, guys. That's it. Thank you for watching. Robert 100 car repairs. Just for future reference, this is the sparking plug which I have. So in case I need to replace, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna buy the same. NGK, like a R, and then ZFR ZFR6VG. One more thing I'm gonna show you guys. So that's supposed to be rubber. So I removed the old one. So that behaved now like a rubber. But around the sparking plugs, that became the plastic. So that's the lost the flexibility like a rubber half, and that became like a plastic. That's weird. See, the gasket which I bought having the flexibility like a rubber because it's a rubber, but the old one is like a plastic. That's why there is a leaking. So I have to feed back the new one here and remove that one. Oh, that's behave like a rubber around. Oh, snap like a plastic.